Is your internal workplace chat actually accessible? Making your internal work chats accessible starts with your tools and your team. First, look at the software you're using. What accessibility features are already built in? Once you've identified them, test them with actual assistive technology. For daily communication, follow these best practices. Images and screenshots always provide alt text. GIFs and emojis ensure the alt text or emoji name actually matches the meaning you're trying to convey. Formatting. Avoid walls of text. Use lists, bullet points, and proper headings to keep information clear and semantic. Check your notification settings. How are they received by someone with a disability? If you're using analog phones for conference calls, verify if they're compatible with modern assistive tech. Fortunately, mobile technology is advancing rapidly. Features like Bluetooth connectivity, live captions, and real-time text transcription are making workplace calls more accessible than ever before. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.